Hello, my dear friends. Hope you are fine. God bless you all. If you love creating beautiful home decoration with simple, affordable materials, you are in the right place. Today, we are turning ordinary mason jars and wooden board into stunning wall hanging vase and rustic decoration piece, perfect for any come of your home. Whether you are decorating a cozy living room, bedroom wall, or even your entryway, these ideas are sure brings warmth, creativity, and touch of nature into your home. So grab your jars, wooden piece, a little jute rope, or little begin this beautiful DIY journey together. To start off, let's go over the simple materials you will need for the project. You will need a few mason jar, any size will work, glass bottles, unusable recycled bottles, just clean perfectly, old wooden planks or cardboard wood, jute rope or twins, hooks, a metal clamp to hold the jar, some flowers, fairy lights or greenery for decoration, and finally some nails, screw or glue gun. Attach everything together. Most of these things you will right already have at home or can easily find at Dollar Tree or any craft store, making this project budget friendly and eco friendly. Now let's prepare the wooden base. Take your old wood plank, it could be a piece from a old shelf. Create a palette, lightly sand down to remove your rough edges. If you like, you can apply a quick coat of wooden stain or acrylic paint to give it a polished rustic look. Once the base is ready, decide where you want to position your mason jar. You can choose one jar in the center or set of two, three for more layered design. You can use as a bookshelf. Next, attach a metal clamp or hook to hold the jar. If you are going for vintage style, wrap jute rope around the jar neck and it securely give it the farmhouse charm we all love. Now for the fun part, decorating the jar, you can fill your mason jar with fresh or dried flowers for a natural looks, fairy lights for soft glowing, artificial leaves, pine cones or seasonal ornaments for festive touch. If you are aiming for a cozy look, wrap burlap or lace around the jar, then add a little wooden leg or ribbon. It's amazing how much small touches can turn something simple into a stylish piece of decoration. You can even change the filling by season, flower in spring, seashell or sun in summer, pine cones in autumn, fairy lights and ornaments in winter. Now that your messenger was are ready, it's time to hang them up. Find a good spot on your wall, maybe above of sofa near entrance or by your reading nook. You are standing males or hook hang the wooden base. Once it's up, step back and admire your creation. Does not it feel amazing to bring your own creativity to life? These wall hanging messengers add warmth and personally to your space. Plus, they make perfect handmade gift for birthday, holiday, or housewarming. Thoughtful, affordable, and made with love. Crafting and decoration like that is not just about beautiful your home, it's about creating peaceful mind space. When you make things by hand, you slow down and focus. That mindfulness in action. Working with wood, jute and jar helps reduce stress, improve creativity and gives you healthy outlook for the self-expression. It reminds us that the beauty does not always come from buying new things, something is hidden in what we already have. And that is for today perfect project. You are just learn how to make a beautiful mason jar, vase, wooden wall, hanging design, all from sample recycling material. If you like this video, enjoy this video, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and more amazing video. God bless you all.